Assalamu alaikum class 5. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So class, today is 26th of April 2021 and the day is Monday. Fine. So in yesterday lesson class we studied about the concept of division. Okay? What happens when we divide by the multiples of 10? Means 10, 100 and 1000. Isn't class? So if I have a number like this. If I have a number like this and I want to divide first by 10, then 100 and then 1000. Okay, so what would I do? Yes, who will tell me? Alishba, you tell me. Very good. I will divide 1 by 1 18,000 1,84,000 डिवाइडेड बाय 10. फर्स्ट पे मैं पहले इसको सॉल्व करूंगी, देन 100 से डिवाइड करूंगी एंड देन 1000 से, और चेक करूंगी कि क्या जो है आउटकम्स आ रही है. इजंट क्लास? वैसे जो हमने इसका शॉर्टकट एक पढ़ा था वो क्या पढ़ा था कि if we have thousands, if we have 1 0 in the denominator, so number as it is 18400. जो नंबर है उसमें 3 zeros है, but if you look in denominator you have 1 0. so जब हमारा आंसर हम टोटल निकालेंगे सो उसमें हमारा क्या होगा, 1 0 कैंसिल हो जाएगा. ठीक है. और इसी तरह लाइकवाइज व्हेन वी डिवाइड बाय 100, सो जब हम 100 के साथ डिवाइड करेंगे अपनी इस वैल्यू को, तो जो क्वेश्चन में 3 zeros हैं, जब आंसर आएगा तो वो क्या हो जाएगा, 1 0 रिमेनिंग. फाइन. और लाइकवाइज जब हम 1000 से उसको डिवाइड करते हैं, सो 3 zeros विल बी कट बाय 3 zeros and we get in the end 184. Isn't class? यही हमने इसका शॉर्टकट पढ़ा था ना. फाइन. जब हम डिवीजन करते हैं when we divide by multiples of 10, 100 and 1000, so we remove zeros and move the number to the right. Fine. we remove, डिवीजन में क्या करते हैं, remove zeros and move the number to the right. but multiplication में क्या करते हैं, what would we do in multiplication? if I have same number and I want to multiply by 10, 100 and 1000, so what possibilities will become? Very good. In division we remove zeros and in multiplication we add zeros according to multiplier. Okay. If we have 1 0, so we will add only 1 0 in the answer. If we have 2 zeros, so we will add 2 zeros, and if we have 3 zeros, then we will add 3 zeros in the end. Now class, we have today question number 10. In this question we will learn how we can solve multiplication of 6 digit by 2 non-zero digit. Fine. In last lesson we how we can solve multiplication of 6 digit by zeros, and in this lesson we can solve how we can multiply 5 or 6 digit by non-zero digits. Fine. So question number 10 is related to this from exercise number 1C, page number 15, in question number 10. So class, I have statement solve the following sums. A part 182, 165 multiply by 25. Okay, this is our sum. 185, 165 multiply by 25. So class, this is this is जो ऊपर हमारे पास टर्म है उसको हम क्या कहते हैं, मल्टीप्लिकेंट D, and this is multiplier. फाइन. जिसके साथ हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं वो मल्टीप्लायर होता है, और जिसको करते हैं इज नोन एज मल्टीप्लिकेंट. फाइन. Now it is the rule of any sum, as you know, we will always start it from this side. Now I am going to start from this side. 5 times. Ab I have class, if you look 2 digit, so I will multiply 1 by the whole digits. Fine. अब इस 5 को from which is from the right side, I will multiply by this whole number. So 5 times 25. I get 2 digit number which is 25. So I will write 5 below 5 and 2 as a carry. Fine. In next, which is 6 times 30. 6 times 30. 30 and ये 2 जो है इसमें क्या करेंगे, ऐड करेंगे. So we get 32. So again 2 digit, so I will write the value which is at unit place is 2 and 3 as a carry. Fine class. Okay. Now I am moving towards next, which is 5 1 times 5 and 3 इसमें ऐड करेंगे तो 8. Fine. Next 5 2 times 10. 5 2 times 10. Again 2 digits, so I will write unit place value which is 0 and 1 as a carry which is at next value, which is on next value. ठीक है. Now I am going to start again, which is 5 8 times 40. 5 8 times 40 and 1 add करेंगे, so we get 41. 2 digit number, so I will write 1 here and 4 as a carry. Fine. Now 5 1 times 5. 5 1 times 5 and 4 इसमें ऐड करेंगे, so we get 9. Okay. अब ये जो हमारे पास आंसर आया है, this is the multiplication 182 165 by 5. Now I am going towards next number. So next number के लिए first जो हम लोगों ने साइन यूज करना है वो क्या होगा, मल्टीप्लिकेशन का. why we will use this sign class. Very good, because we will done with 1 digit number which is 5. Now 2 5 times 10. 2 digit number, so I will write 1 here. 2 6 times 12. 2 digit again and 1 add करेंगे, so 13. 13 is the answer, but we will write place value which is 3 and 1 as a carry. Fine. and this is 3. 2 times 4. 2 8 times 16. 2-digit number. So I will write the number which is at unit place here and 1 as a carry because it is the rule of multiplication. Fine class. This is the rule of multiplication. Now the next number which is 5. 1 times 5 and 6. Okay class, 5 1 times 5 and this is 6. Okay, in the end we will add these numbers one by one. So 5 plus 0 which is equals to 5. 5 plus 0 is 5. Now the next number which is 2. 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 plus 0 is 2. Next is 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3. So 8 plus 3 is 1. 8 for upper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 3 for lower. 1, 2, 3. So in total I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 2-digit number, so I will write the number which is at unit place here and 1 as a carry. Fine class? Okay. Next 3 and this 1 plus equals to 4. Now next number which is 1 plus 4. 1 for upper and 4 for lower. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in total I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Fine. Next is 9 plus 6. 9 for upper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And 6 for lower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in total I have class 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 2-digit number. I have 2-digit number which is 15. Okay. So I will write 5 there which is at a unit place and 1 as a carry. Fine. Now, in the end I have 1 plus 6 which equals to 7. Which equals to 7. Okay class? If you look class, 2, 1 times 2 and this 1 equals to 3. So 3, I will write 3 here. Now, 9 plus 6 is 15. 5 here and 1 as a carry. So in the end I have 3 plus 1 equals to 4. Okay? 4. So this is at 1's place, 10's place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000, 100,000 and million. So in words I have 4 million 500 54 54,000 125 125. Okay class, 4,554,125. This is the total. Fine. Now class, I am going to move another part which is B. So this is how we can solve multiplication of 6 digit by two non-zero digit. Fine. B part, I have 291, 327 multiply by 47. Okay, multiply by 47. Okay, as you know class, we always started from this side, so I am starting from 7. So I will multiply 7 by the whole. So 7 times 49. 2-digit number, so I will write 9 here and 4 as a carry. Fine. Now, next, which is 7 2 times. 7 2 times 14. 7 2 times 14, and 14 plus 4 is 18. 2-digit number, so I will write 8 below 4 and 1 as a carry. 1 as a carry. Now, next, which is 7 3 times. 7 3 times class? Yes, Alvina, you tell me. 7 3 times. Very good. 21. So 21 plus 1 is 22. So I will write 2 here and 2 as a carry. Fine. Now for next, which is 7 1 times. 7 1 times. 7 8 9 9. 7 9 times. 7 9 times. So 7 9 times is 63. 2-digit number, so I will write 6 below here and 3 below here and 6 as a carry. Fine class? Okay. Now 7 2 times 14 again. 7 2 times 14 again. Now I will add 6 in it, which is 20. Which is 20. Okay class, now this is the multiplication of this number by 7. Now I will write multiply sign here below 9 because it represents as that I am done with 1-digit number. Okay, that I am done with 1-digit number. Now it's done, it's 4 done. Now I will multiply 4 by this whole number. So I will multiply by 1 by 1. Let's see here what happens. 4 7 times. 4 7 times 28. So I will write 8 here and 2 as a carry. Fine. Now 4 2 times 8 and 9 10. 10 again 2-digit. I will write 0 here and 1 as a carry. Now 4 3 times. 12 and 12 plus 1 is 13. 3 here and 1 as a carry. Fine. 4 1 times. 4 and this one 5. 4 9 times. 4 9 times. So 4 9 times is, yes Josefa, 4 9 times is, very good, 36. And this one will be adding it. So in the end we have 37. 3 as a carry. Now 4 2 times 8. 4 2 times 8. And 3 इसमें add होगा. So in the end we have 8 plus 3. 8 9 10 11. 11. Okay class? 11. Now in the end what would we do class? हम इन पे क्या करते हैं? In multiplication. Very good. We will add. So 9. 8 plus 8 is 16. 2-digit number. So I will write 6 here and 1 as a carry. Fine. 2-digit number, so I will write 2 here and 1 as a carry. Fine class? Okay. Next, which is 5 plus 3. So 5 plus 3 is 8 and 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay. Next, which is 6. 2 plus 1 is 3 and 1 as it is. So in the end we have 136, 136, 923, 69. Fine. So this is at ones place, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million and 10 million. Fine. So this is all class. This is how we can solve multiplication of 6 digit by two non-zero numbers. Fine. So if you have to do question number 10 and 11 all parts on your notebook. If you from exercise number 1C, if you find any difficulty related to this, you can ask me. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.